Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the aggregator module in make.com to merge data step by step. What is the aggregator module? The aggregator module in make.com collects multiple data bundles and merges them into a single structured output. It's perfect when you need to combine multiple rows from a database, group emails into a list, or consolidate API responses into one dataset. Now, let's see how to use it. Step 1. Add your data source. Start by adding a module that provides data. This could be an API, Google Sheets, or any app that sends multiple pieces of information. Step 2. Insert the aggregator module. Search for Aggregator and place it after your data source. This module listens to all incoming bundles and merges them before passing them to the next step. Step 3. Map your data. Select the fields you want to merge. For example, if you're collecting customer orders, you can merge order IDs, names, and emails into a single bundle. Run the scenario. Click Run. Once to test. The aggregator will collect all data bundles and merge them into one structured output, making it easier to send to another app or store in a database. And that's it. You now know how to use the aggregator module to streamline data merging in make.com. Found this helpful? Like and subscribe for more automation tips.